Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'd like to bring all of you to buy our Luban restaurant in Muttrah, Muscat. That is a beautiful restaurant, and the entrance is quite discreet. Actually, Bio Luban is on the third floor of the building, so you see the logo here. Opening hour is 12 to 11 o'clock in the evening. So now we are going up to the here. You see, there is something what we call the attention to detail. There is some decoration all around the stair from the first floor to the second floor, and then to the third floor as well. I would say that you see here is another traditional decorations. So now here we are in the restaurant of Luban. You see the logo. Once you enter the restaurant, you feel the traditional Omani style decoration. Oh, so lovely. You smell the frankincense, and in the middle of the restaurant, you see colorful courtyard and several decorations on the wall. There are indoor and outdoor options. So at the beginning, we are fancy of the air condition, but at the end, after inspecting the whole indoor restaurant, we feel it's better to have an al fresco dining. So we came outside to have an outdoor dining. Outside here, we have a beautiful sunset with the fish market and outside yard in front of us, and Muttrah Corniche, and the beautiful chandelier and fan. It's a huge menu. There is a salad section on the first page, and then there is another appetizer like Muscat, our favorite. Then there is some soup options, some main course, etc. Somehow I would say it's a little bit too hot to have soup outdoor because we have like over 30 degrees, and in my mind there is something already what I have to order, so the menu is just for looking. At the end, two of us, we have ordered the aval salad, which is like a shark meat salad. Certainly we have ordered the shua with kabuli rice and a roast chicken, and of course to enjoy this beautiful view. Well, we have ordered also a lemon mint without sugar, otherwise it's super sweet. I would say the order comes super fast. Right after the lemon mint, it comes already the shark meat salad, which is aval salad, as well as a grilled chicken with some yellow rice, and of course, the main highlight is the shua with kabuli rice here. Such an enjoyment to have outdoor dining with such beautiful view. I highly recommend you to order food sharing with each other instead of having one dish individually one by one. So at the end there is some Omani dates, some Arabic coffee to finish the dinner. And of course, with such beautiful view of Muttrah. Of course, I have a chance to refresh myself and test the quality of the bathroom. Well, after finish the dinner, you can certainly walk around the Muttrah Corniche. That's all for tonight. Thank you very much.